Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss with you about Java methods. So, what do you mean by methods? What do you mean by methods? So, a method is actually a block which runs only when it is called. So, what is a method? Uh, it is a block which runs only when it is when it is called. So this is the definition of methods. So let's get started with an example. So at first I would create a class, and then I am writing the main function here. Within the class I am writing a method. Suppose public int add, and suppose in the parameters int a, int b. So what are these parameters? These are the huh, these are the variables that we are going to send through the main function, and after calling it by giving the parameters, it will return the result to a particular variable, and then we will print the result. How? Let's see how. So in this function I would simply return a plus b. So what is this function doing? It's simply accepting two parameters and then adding them and returning the result to the main method. And how we can call this? Suppose I want to store the result in int result, and then I am going to call add. Suppose in a I am going to give a 4, and in b I am going to give 8. What is this called? Oh, okay. So at first we have to, for accessing this method, we have to create a class object. How we can create a class object? Like this. Example obj is equal to new example. Then we would give obj dot add. See, by inputting the obj we are accessing the add method and sending 4 and 8 in the place of int a and b. Then I will simply display the result here. The result is this. Okay, so let's run and check it. See, it gives the result 12. Let's try another example. I am doing here. Okay, what is this int here in method? It simply defines the return type of which data type is going to return. Means this method is going to return integer to this, and let's start with another example. uh, Public, and I want to give here now double divide int a, int b. So what it will return? A by b. Okay, so if I do here double result diff is equal to obj dot divide, I am going to give here 5, and here I am going to give here 2. So in this method you can see that it is returning a double double data type, so the result will be here in double. uh, let's print this also. Let's see what it runs. See, it is 2.0. 5 divided by 2 is 2.0, so the result is 2.0. So this is how you can do it. Thank you, and we are moving to the next part.